Hi guys, welcome back to Panchita's Corner. On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get free baby stuff. If you guys haven't watched my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to watch my other videos. I'll put the link below so you guys can see the videos of how to get free baby stuff. So on this package, we are going to be talking about Bump Club and Beyond. This is the package that you will get. And in this package, open it up. So this is what the package is going to look like. So all you have to do for this package is go on the website. You're going to go to Bump Club and Beyond. You're going to go ahead and sign up for free. You're also going to link your profile. You're going to link your Target registry to your profile, and you're going to watch a couple videos. After you watch a couple videos, it's going to give you a little notification saying your package is in its way. You will not get an email letting you know when the package will arrive, but it will take about 7 to 10 business days, and you will receive this box with this kind of goodies. So let's take a look to see what's inside. Hope you guys enjoy. Please share this video. If you are expecting, congratulations. If you happen to know anybody that would be interested in getting one of these boxes, just let them know. Share my video. Let's get started. You're gonna get some coupons on here, some new products that they have, and you'll be getting a checklist because you did link your Target registry to your profile, so you'll be getting a little checklist. And this is what the package would look like. So you're gonna get a package like this. Bump Club and Beyond. You're gonna get a nice cute duffel bag, white duffel bag. And let's open it up and check what's inside. Go. So the first item that we have are some 7th generation wipes. So you get a full size of wipes. Go. Okay. Next, you're gonna get a bottle. This is the bottle that you'll be getting. Open this up. This is the bottle you'll be getting. Next, you'll be getting some Medela storage bags, and you get about 4 storage bags for all you mamas that are going to be breastfeeding. You're going to need these. And what's next? You're also going to get a full-size body wash. That's what you'll be getting. And you're also going to get some disposable nursing pads. Go. You're also going to get another bottle. And you're also going to get some band boobies. So these are washable nursing pads. And in here, you're going to get, they're like heart-shaped nursing pads, and you can wash these. So you get 4 nursing pads. Oh, that's cute. See? Perfect. So don't forget to sign up for this. Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to watch my other videos on how to get free baby stuff, and please share this video with people that might be interested, or mamas that are expecting, or if you're interested, please sign up and have this package delivered to somebody special that might be in need of these products. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We will see you guys next time. Bye.